The 5T's one color in most of the world is midnight black, and while it looks perfectly fine, the recently announced Lotha Red option is much more attractive. The Lotha Red OnePlus 5T colors the back, frame, fingerprint sensor, and camera housing in a stark red that's a joy to look at. The small front bezels keep the black paint job unlike the red iPhone 7 that was released earlier this year, and all in all, it's a really great look for an already attractive handset. Unfortunately, there are a couple caveats. For starters, the Lotha Red 5T is only available with the more expensive model that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. However, what's even more disappointing is the fact that this version of the phone is currently only available in China. OnePlus has yet to announce any plans for releasing the Lotha Red 5T in any other markets, but we certainly hope this changes soon. OnePlus prides itself on being a company that actively listens to its fans. So if enough people start nagging for a Lotha Red 5T in other areas, our chances of bringing this beauty outside of China might not be too shabby. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe.